Hello everyone, Minji here, and welcome to day 3 of Arknights Endfield. So, like last time, I don't think I'll have that much time, so I'm going to try and get through as much of the main story as possible.
They even breached this place. These landbreakers are clearly covering every inch.
Okay. Recycling station. Cost. That unlock. Okay, I did read about this before, where people were saying unlock as many of these things as possible. To basically just collect them whenever they're available. And this one, there's a treasure over there, and this needs electricity, so I guess I'll bring... Yeah. This needs some puzzling and also some power, so I'm just going to bring this over here. Oh wait, this is a zipline. This is not power. Where's my power? I might not have power over here. That's unfortunate. I might... What is this? TP point. Ooh. Okay. I'll get to that TP point. Let's see. Latch to zipline. Is there any ziplines over there? I need to bring some power over here, it seems. Ooh, that's a little far. That might be the best bet then. Yeah, I think this is as close as I'm gonna get. Cool. Those I can just do later. Purple crystal. Oh, there's stuff in here. Gee. Many damaged power facilities are scattered. Successful repair also offers reward. Okay, so I need to repair something here, potentially. And there are rewards in it. Use. Or I just press the button. Okay. Okay, so... Oh, I'm getting sidetracked. I need to go through main story. Oh no, I mean... Okay, never mind. Sidetracked. Immediately sidetracked. Didn't even take a single minute. Okay, I need to do the main story. Everyone just says, do the main story to unlock everything, and then you can do exploration and whatnot. Oh no.
Some Orleans suddenly move away when we approach. Why? Can it be?
Okay. Gather resources. Okay. Okay, activate this first. That goes into the air. Oh, it needs a jump pad, which needs power, which I could bring from... Where... Let's see. How far is this from here? How many relays would I need? I'd probably need 1, 2, 3, Okay. Teleport. Screw it. I'll do this later. Must story. Ignore side stuff. Do story. No. Yes. No. Okay. I'm just gonna do the optional quest, but not the locked treasures and stuff. This one already collected. The footprints go over here.
The landbreakers lingered here for quite a while. No signs of
Why did the
combat.
footprints go here?
Likely a failed stakeout or ambush.
Oh, do I actually need power for the story? The prototype is nearly complete, but Yvonne insists on adding a custom support AI and facial expression interface to it. She's clearly getting way too invested. I asked Yvonne if she planned on naming the prototype. Turns out she already did. Tata. What's that even mean? Well, let's just hope she didn't smash the keyboard to get that name. Anyway, the parts that you requested are here. Don't forget to pick them up. P.S. The post parameters are in the attachment. Please don't lose them. Flamboyant handwriting. The full name of Tata is Trans Aether Tranquilizer Automata. Memorize it. Okay.
Footprints lead deeper into this facility.
That would lead to a dead end. We should hurry up.
There must be somewhere. Boss wants the crate. Oh, God. We can search this place again. Keep looking. I'll poke around in other places.
Okay. All my alts already. Okay, just hit him.
Sterilize this area!
I didn't mean to do that, but that's fine.
Rock support ready. Seniors are down! Perfect the optimal path! Let me give it a go!
Oh, that guy's
Right, man! Terminate! Let me give it a go! Forward! Perfect, that's the optimal path! We've done it! Hope you're not tired, Mr. Dowley.
Such is the will of nature.
I'm going to hold off on upgrading anyone until I need to. Until I start feeling my characters are under-leveled, because if I can deal with it, then I may as well just hold my resources.
Watch your step, people!
Focus on the battle. I shall provide cover and fire.
Man!
Right?
Rock support right here's our chance! Perfect the optimal path! No?
So quiet.
The footprints fade into that direction. We need to find a way to reach the upper platform. Let's look around. Perhaps we can find a... Back to where we left off. The footprints fade into that direction. We need to find a way to reach the upper platform.
Yep.
Let's look around. Perhaps we can find a crate to hop on.
Hello. Oh,
Don't be afraid. We are the Endfield crisis team. You're now safe.
oh, okay.
Yeah, we totally defeated those landbreakers. They'll trouble you no more.
Oh,
Oh, lighting.
thank you all. We're finally safe.
Our security cameras found the landbreaker mobs
sure.
heading this
You get it,
way.
that's-
We stopped our work immediately, then took this set of equipment and the accompanying technical documents with us.
We got no idea what it's for. But the packaging label says it's top priority. It's covered in Endfield logos. You came for this, right? Guess we really did save something important.
This is it. This is the set of prototype parts that Mr. Andre mentioned. Thank you. The two of you acted in a decisive and timely manner to save a key asset of Endfield Industries. Now that it's been recovered, I shall relay your actions to the site director.
Time for a promotion, I guess.
Great. Oh, we also found a few other things. These combat records might be useful to you. Please take them.
free XP. Remember to train your operators to improve combat. Press C.
Prepped and ready to go.
In addition, XP materials can be manually spent to level up operators. Spend operator, yeah. Yeah, must be upgraded to improve level cap. They must use other progression materials to level up. Like I said, for now, I'm just gonna continue playing.
Since the land breakers
and
are gone, we
naturally
should start the emergency repairs.
gather
They should
the
last until the
XP
base sends more
from
people
fights,
and materials
then
for a proper
when I
makeover.
start feeling underleveled, then I'm gonna
You know,
use.
we really appreciate
the
all the help you
accelerated.
gave us, my Endfielder friends. Things look good for now.
Because honestly, Purple's level 8 now. That's fine.
That crate, it's ours.
You guys got anything else here? Up here? What's this? Oh, it's just on fire. Okay. Okay. Time to get through more
The
story.
air is dry, and the sky is good. I shall rest well tonight.
Getting close, unit.
See this through. Here's our chance. The ultimate pass. Sequence. Let's give it a go.
I wasn't paying attention.
Here goes. Terminate. Arc unit pop.
Yeah.
Whew,
Level
they
10
just
aren't
won't give
too
up.
difficult now.
What is it, Perlica? Thinking about something?
Those landbreakers. You heard what they said. Their leader is looking for the parts and the documents.
But why would the LBs want the documents? I mean, can they even understand this stack of technobabble?
What's even more suspicious is
Technobabble.
Mr. Andre
I like your
mentioned
word,
that he
silly
ordered
creature.
and paid for the Originium modification parts himself. How would the landbreakers acquire such information?
What's that prototype for anyway?
Mr.
I don't
Andre
know.
should know more than us. Endfield has worked together with the UWST for quite a while. We often carry out joint engineering projects together. The UWST has spent years researching the ether rift of Valley 4. They have constructed an ether test site at the power plateau for this purpose. Though it does make little sense, I have a feeling that these landbreakers are indeed looking for our technology and products. We'll get to the bottom of this afterwards. The good news is that we successfully secured the processing center and recovered the parts and the documents. We should head back to Mr. Andre. Endman, the automation core can also be a target destination for teleprotocol. Time is a luxury we don't really have. So let's try using teleprotocol and get back to the automation core instantly. Now that
That's,
everything's settled,
embarrassing.
I guess Mr. Andre can finally breathe easy.
Guys, you've got to make Big Owl treat us to a mega feast. Otherwise, you're just spoiling him.
Okay. Let's get out of here. Main story progression, finally. But I'm so tempted to go back. I want to do all these optional things, but
Only by walking upon the land
can
can we truly appreciate every
Can only
breath
unlock
and pulse
stuff.
of life.
times are now different. Breakthrough. I don't think I have time for all this. I'll just collect everything I can for now. I need to come back here with power. I can just jump up there and get that. Can I jump on this? Can I use this as a platform? Or is this not high enough? How do I get up there? From over there. How do I get in there? Probably not from there.
Yeah.
You tempt me with your... You tempt me. Gosh darn it. Okay. You have my attention. It's too easy. I've determined that this is worth my... Huh. Can I jump on this truck? I highly doubt this is the solution for it, but... Is there any platform I can jump up to?
What?
Hardcore parkour? This is definitely not the solution to this puzzle, and I'm wasting a lot of time that I don't have. Okay. Let's see. Time to get out of here. Why am I blind? Why am I stupid? Don't answer that.
Unlike the Blight and Rifts, Orleans aren't that dangerous.
You know what? Get me over here. I'm jumping over this wall. I lie. I cannot jump over this wall. Okay. This requires power, and that, whatever that is, requires power as well. So I need to come back here with power once I connect up the power grid. And apparently I need to set up the factory to make relays and stuff, right? So, actually, where am I supposed to go? Oh, just teleport. Hello, Andre. Andre? Claim all. Yeah.
Mr. Andre, we found the things you need. We also met a few fortunate UWST crewmates who survived. They're now carrying out repairs in accordance with their contingency plans.
Sure. Somebody.
Wonderful, Edmund and Supervisor Perlica. I'll give Director Chin an update regarding the situation at the processing center. Oh, by the way, you probably saw plenty of damaged facilities in the hub area. And that will mean we need to gather a lot more Originium ore. Now, I don't want to dent Master Chen's legendary Hangshan blades, so I prepped a few auto mining rigs while you... This, Edmund, is the Endfield portable Originium rig.
Yes. Give me the mining rig. Okay. Portal mining rig mines Originium ore. It does not need to be connected to the power grid.
The portable Originium rig automatically sets aside some of the excavated... This is the place, Endman. Let's deploy the portable Originium rig on this mining site.
Let's see. There's also the purple rock
The
over there,
bounties of the land.
which I don't know if that's considered a higher ranking material or not, but
I'll sort and identify these minerals in a bit.
so. Portable rigs mine Iridium ore and use the fraction of it to power itself. It does not need to be connected to power. Okay. Iridium ore can be mined by portable Iridium rig, stored in cache. Remember to return to them to manually gather the mined ore. Is there any way to automate this? Or do I have to only manually... There's no way that I have to manually collect it each time, right? There's no way. No way, right?
Endman, we can now produce Origo crusts in batches. Just like before, we'll make them by putting Originium ore into the refining unit.
Because there was amethyst over there as well.
Fabulous! I now have everything I need to start repairing the prototype. Enman, make sure you're here to witness its awakening. Don't miss it. Promise you'll be here to see it.
Well, they're hunting your prototype.
Landbreakers? Why would they want these things? T11 Originium prisms are highly fragile. Same goes for the high-precision nucleic crystal centers. If handled by untrained personnel, they can be easily damaged. The prototype is an experimental tech we developed for the ether side. To the Landbreakers, it's probably just a hunk of scrap.
Seems odd and rather suspicious to me.
Yeah, quite odd indeed. Maybe some Landbreakers thought, hey, that looks expensive, and figured they could flip it on the black market. Anyway, since we've retrieved the crucial items, let's focus on the matter at hand. We should also update each other if we find anything new.
Endman, I received Andre's message. Good job out there. A team to reinforce the Originium byproduct processing center is en route. The Arsenal is the objective of our next mission. I couldn't get in touch with our Arsenal engineer. The entrance of the Arsenal was blocked by a collapsed building during the attack. Our closest Enfielder is investigating the site as we speak. She should be in touch with you soon.
Edmund, we got a high payload situation on our hands. We don't have enough people to clean up the collapsed building, and we couldn't bring in the heavy machinery.
Enfielder.
The only solution left is to up the yield and blast it all to pieces. I wonder if the crisis team could do me a favor and get me some of that Originium powder? I'll wait for you at the Arsenal entrance.
Originium powder? I'm sure Big Owl knows how to make it, right?
Her smug face.
Of course I do. It's time to reveal the shredding unit. Mineral ores, metals, plants, it doesn't matter. You name it, it shreds it. This is your penultimate shredding solution, proudly designed by Enfield Industries. Head to the PAC and use it to construct a shredding unit. The PAC is meeting all our expectations so far. We just don't have a lot of numbers from field operations. We're counting on you to generate the data, Edmund.
Okay.
Try to deploy the shredding unit close to the PAC.
AC factories can be constructed at the PAC. While the core AIC area, press Z. The list on the side shows facility templates already unlocked. Shredding unit, open construct. It needs 5 of this. There's enough materials, construct it. Okay. Placement. Place. For now, I'll just put it here, but... Oh, wait. I need to put it
Henman,
in...
activate the shredding unit control panel.
Shredding unit shreds materials. Here's its recipes. I want to shred this.
Simple
Okay.
and intuitive, right? It shares the same basic control panel as the refining unit. I say it's time to shred some Originium ore to powder.
Okay. And back to the mining stuff. Is there an easy collect all button? Or do I have to click? Let's see, electric pylons, relay towers, construction. Okay, I need a lot of Originium. Okay, so I need to produce 10. Done.
We got the powder. Time to head to the arsenal. I haven't
Go
had
to the
proper
arsenal.
fireworks ever since I left Wu Ling.
If I'm not mistaken, the local arsenal...
Okay, may as well
managed by
refine
an
this.
arsenal engineer from Endfield.
Arsenal engineer? I remember seeing a little girl who was always running around with weapons in her arms back in Enfield. Are they related?
The arsenal engineers of Endfield Industries are professionals in all forms of armaments. The little girl you saw is actually their director. I'll properly introduce our arsenal director once we find the time. I'm sure she will get along with you and our endmen.
Little girl with weapons. Okay. I'll collect this and let us go. This goes pretty fast. Like, there has to be a way to auto-collect, or else it only takes like a couple minutes for it to completely fill up. And I also... oh, sure, yeah, rest is also good. But,
complete.
quick stash. Sure, submit. More stamina, always good. Yummy, yummy stamina. Now, let's see. Need to go over here. Any loot I missed? One loot I missed.
Some Orleans suddenly move away when we approach. Why? Can it be some form of energy-based repulsion?
There's no way we can get through all this rubble. Let's go and find our fellow Enfielder.
Hello,
You're
mate.
here! Our
Mayday.
high payload situation hasn't changed at all. I've prepped the explosives and marked the detonation site. Don't worry, there's no risk of sympathetic detonation.
I deposited it all. I put it all away. Like a fool. I knew I needed it. But my inventory was full. Okay. Yeah, screw it. I'll just take 50. Why not? Don't need it, I just need 10, but...
You're here! Our high payload. I've prepped the explosives and
Okay, yeah,
marked the
make bombs.
detonation site. Ho ho ho! Endman, this barrel of Originium bombs is ready for use. Blasting, demolishing, and rubble-clearing work has never been easier. Oh,
Mimi.
and our AIC factory has been deployed, right? Endman, you can totally use the factory to make even more explosives!
Oh, can I?
She really likes explosives.
I like her. Explosives can be made by interacting with a barrel of Originium. Use the aiming guide to adjust the view. Demolish certain things. They can also damage enemies, but not friendly. Oh, they don't hurt friendlies. The barrel, so much explosives must be used within a short range of the barrel and would disappear when taken too far away. The AIC factory expands as more AIC technologies are researched. AIC factories can be used to mass produce explosives.
Alrighty. Hope I don't miss.
I'm gonna bomb it. Where am I bombing?
Huh?
There we go.
Right on target. I give that explosion a 10 out of 10.
Okay.
Chen, I remember you making quite a scene with some fireworks. Perhaps you have a knack for demolition work.
Shh! Not here! Not in front of so many people, Pearly.
Okay, so
That
it only
happened
goes about
way,
that far.
way back.
Can't steal this, it seems. Gamers never look up. Is there anything up? Worth looking? No. Okay. Hello, dude.
Hey, you look...
Is he?
Breathing is stable. No external injuries detected. He's likely unconscious from the blast. Work ID says Semyon. His vitals look stable. Let's wake him up. Wait, Chen. Go easy on him,
La
alright?
creatura.
What? An Anchor Fall struck our base? Wait. Yeah. It's all coming back to me.
You guys
There was
attacked me.
this very loud explosion, and the entire place shook like jelly. Something then probably hit my head.
Ah. Oh.
Thank you, Administrator and Supervisor Perlica. You saved my life. I must return to my post. Fortunately, this arsenal still seems intact. Take a piece or two.
Oh yes, I'll take it all.
It's my duty to make sure you're wielding the best weapons we have.
Oh, when you say check them out, you meant I have to buy them. Do I actually want to buy this? I don't think I do, right?
Operator
I assume I'll get better stuff.
standing by.
Weapons.
Not too shabby.
Defeated enemies may also drop known as essences. They can be attached to weapons. Click here to level up weapon. I'm not going to level up this weapon. Add weapon XP materials or other weapons here to give experience points. When the weapon reaches a certain level, it must be tuned before it can level up. Weapon XP and or other weapons can be used to give a weapon XP and level it up. When a weapon reaches level cap, weapon tuning materials must be used to tune it and raise its level cap. No weapon XP will be lost when using an upgraded weapon. To provide XP to another, weapon XP that exceeds the limit will be returned as weapon XP materials. Nice. Defeated enemies may drop reactive substances known as essences. Infusing a weapon with an essence raises its weapon skills. Cool. Okay, so I want Perlica to have a good weapon. Let's see. Base attack. Attack. When the wielder's battle skill hits an enemy, the wielder gains plus 12% attack. When the wielder's HP is above 80%, attack up. I assume intellect is... Where can I read what this does? Main attribute. I guess I'll take... These are mostly the same. I'll just take this.
Time to come up with optimum tactics for wielding this weapon.
And for Aya, I'll give her the other 4-star weapon. Arknight. What is this? Sure.
I can feel it breathing. And how it is a match
I do need
made
to
for
claim
me.
the 5-star weapon from the other thing. You get to keep your basic weapon. Oh yeah. I can up potential. Administrator. This is the operator's potential screen. Use the operator tokens at this screen to raise its potential for various bonuses. Recruiting the same character gives some tokens. Reaching the operator's potential, blah blah blah. So 1, 3, and 5 unlocks operator snapshots. Oh. Okay. Operator snapshots can be acquired and displayed at the profile screen or at Dijon Mustard. Okay. Battle Tempest Arc improved. After triggering additional effects, the skill recovers another 10 SP. Cool. Which one is Tempest Arc? Anyway, and 12F. Should be able to unlock them up to max. Oh, wait, no. I'm still missing one for him. 12F, the GOAT. Tanking Patriots attacks. Okay. Ultimate improved. Ultimate improved. An enemy with an active focus debuff is defeated. Return SP. Intellect and max HP up. Okay, so I need an extra 12F token.
Good. It puts my mind at ease knowing I could help. I still have some gear in stock. Come find me if you need anything.
Nah, I'm good. I'm gonna save my stuff for now. Baker is back in the valley. Baker,
Speaking
who's
of
that?
which, the Valley won't be the only place that's getting an AIC factory, right?
Valley 4 is the first step for the AIC factory. Our plan is to deploy the AIC in various regions along the frontiers.
So what happens after that?
After that?
Yeah, once we step into the frontiers, what do you want to see? Brand new cities? Or cozy homes for everybody?
I actually hope to see all those visions you listed. Truth be told, I never thought about the question you asked. Perhaps I only hope to witness the fulfillment of a long-held wish.
Oh, a wish from Pearly? I bet it's something noble and compassionate.
No. It's not a wish from me. It came
Endman.
from someone else. Someone who shared it with me.
Are you ready? The wildlands
Okay,
are
so
filled with
which-
danger.
Tempest Arc is the battle skill. Blinks to the enemy side and deals 2 slashes that deal physical damage. If the enemy has electrification, consume electrification to unleash additional attack that deals electric damage.
All operators accounted
Perlica.
for. The team is ready for the mission.
So unleashes a bolt of electromagnetic energy that deals electric damage and electric infliction to enemies in the area.
Who's the test subject this time?
Applies focus with a long duration on the enemy and deals electric damage. An enemy with an active focus also suffers from electric susceptibility. So, to open up,
All operators accounted for. The
I
team
guess I
is
should
ready for the
do
mission.
12F first. 12F skill first to applies focus.
All operators accounted
Then
for. The team is ready
with
for the
Perlica
mission.
to electric inflict.
The wind
and then
never stops. Neither will
hers
I.
consumes electrification to deal the damage.
Do what you must, Professor. I'll do everything I can to help.
All elements. So, actually, maybe Aya first. Aya first.
Who's the test subject this time?
12F.
All operators accounted
Perlica.
for. The
Arclight.
team is ready for the mission.
If I'm reading it correctly. Okay, let's see. Do I have any pulls left? I just need to get one 12F, which shouldn't be too hard. Hopefully. Oh. I mean... let's see. Yeah. Give me banners. Yeah, I'm gonna go for Surger. Well, I just needed 12F anyway. Just a 5-star. Okay, give me 12F.
Captain, I can
Oxy 7
Ubel Gavial.
skirmisher. Oxy 7 skirmisher. Fluoride.
So pretty.
Got it.
And
Yeah,
of
that's what I
Opsy 7.
needed.
I have
And-
always believed that you will lead us upon the right path
Perlica,
once
huh?
more.
I'll take it.
Welcome back to Endfield Industries.
I do want
And
to
ready to go.
collect them all, but... combo instant protocol improved. Longer electrification. Cool. And a pretty picture. Pretty. Kind of reminds me of Calcit for some reason, but that picture in particular.
I am trying to compose a bad joke for you.
There we go. 12F, my boy. Carry me on Arknights and now in Arknights Endfield. Not that he's much of a carry in Arknights or Endfield, but I need another 19 pulls for that. Yep. Old
The air
factory.
is dry, and the skies look good. I shall rest well tonight.
Prototype. Proto.
Oh, activation success! Can you hear me? Hello? Are you there, my little buddy? T-A-T-A?
Tata. Is he,
Absolutely
I'm just
wonderful!
gonna call him Tata. I'm not calling him
This
T-A-T-A.
proves my repair work was a success. This here is Operator Chen. This is Supervisor Perlica.
Pichora.
And this is our Administrator.
It remembers you?
This little buddy's smart module is what Ivan slapped together in her spare time. Though it might offer a bit of fun, the module's functions are rather limited.
Confused emote? Yvonne. Andre.
What? Is this a radio call? No, wait. It's a pre-recorded voice message.
This voice message is triggered if some dummy performs a hard reboot during maintenance mode. You! What did you do to my precious baby bot?
Ooh, someone predicted Big Owl and all his silly moves.
I don't know what you did, but it's gotta be serious. Get yourself over to my place and apologize. Also, bring my baby bot along. Remember, if you ever do that again, there'll be no mercy.
Edmund, Supervisor Perlica, you must be my witnesses. I did nothing wrong. I did my best.
Well, good luck. You're on your own, buddy.
That's cruel.
No, it's honest.
In any case, I have plenty of legitimate reasons to reactivate the prototype. Even in maintenance mode, the prototype can still monitor and log ambient data of its surroundings. Thanks to the parts you retrieved, these data logs have now been successfully decrypted.
Is that why you told us to come over? All right, stop hoarding the info to yourself. Tell us what you discovered.
Okay, listen. I found abnormal energy fluctuations coming from the Valley Fort. They appeared shortly before the anchor fall. The intervals between these fluctuations are nearly identical to the intervals between the anchor's arrival. They are just too similar. So I have to conclude there's a link between them. I don't know about the details or principles of how it happened, but this feels like a valuable finding we should look into.
Then we should try to contact the Valley Fort quickly. Let's head to the control tower. We can probably use the comms node there.
I won't lie, I have a favorite child. Chen is cute. The crafting manual has been acquired. Crafting manual. When gathering an item, the crafting manual will make an entry of it and keep track of the total amount gathered so far. Click here to see how many. Okay, so after gathering enough buck flowers, the buck capsule formula can be claimed here. When gathering an item, the crafting manual will make an entry of it and keep track of the total amount gathered from Talos 2. Collect enough resources to claim crafting manual rewards that include formulas and product upgrades. Okay, so collect 300 of the buck flower. So I just need to collect a shit ton of everything. Collect 100 fire buckles. So any shinies must be collected. I even need to kill more animals. What do you want from me? Fine dining. Okay.
Orbiter attack trajectory offset detected. I may need to initiate troubleshooting.
I'm just gonna teleport. Return to Director Chin.
Hey.
Where is she? Over here? Wait, how do I get in there? Oh, I thought those were walls for some reason.
The control tower received plenty of great news from around the base. Stellar work out there, Administrator. Basic amenities of the hub area are working again. There's only one core issue that we still need to fix right now. Our main comms node is currently inoperable. I've taken parts from other machines and got most of the node fixed, but the core component has suffered devastating damage. It's a top secret component, and the backup part has been lost during the attack. Endman, I know I've already asked a lot from you, but legends speak of your miraculous work with Originium equipment. We desperately need some of those miracles right now.
Miracles?
Endman, there was a time when you could directly sense the operations of Originium machinery. You could even fine-tune Originium circuits on the fly. modify gear, repair machines. You use this special form of arts often.
The originium and machinery. I like Chen. I like her.
Originium has a wide range of applications. We used both the originium arts and industrial technology for power production and the processing of various materials. Talos 2 has plenty of originium cultivation sites and mines. In fact, we can call ourselves a civilization that stands atop the shoulders of originium.
At one point in our history, originium mining led to a series of environmental and social issues. However, we had no choice but to press forward. Originium is a resource essential for our survival.
Let me try something.
But
Puzzle
the
time?
Endman has just been awakened recently, and wielding powerful forms of originium arts will affect anyone's health. Let me try something else. We can always find another way.
Let me do this. Desperate times call for desperate solutions, right?
Fine. But if you feel any discomfort, stop immediately.
We're all counting on you, Administrator.
Repair. Repairs. Use Administrator's Originium authority to repair, reconstruct, damage Originium circuits, move and rotate Originium components from the right, then place them in the circuit board to match the number of tiles needed by each column and row. Certain locations or pickups help Administrator to recall special circuitry components and how to repair them. So it needs 2-2. How do I rotate? R. Can I click and... No, I need to drag. Okay. Easy enough. Oh, that was easy. I thought it would be... this is a tutorial. It'll definitely get harder.
Welcome to Endfield Industries.
That's a lot of new messages.
Booting up.
Someone save us! The Valley Fort! So many landbreakers! Help! Help me!
Big boy.
Too much noise, scumbag!
The Valley Fort seems to have fallen.
That landbreaker, was he trying to taunt us?
An LB mob raided Andre's basement labs. Another group
time is
attacked the
getting tight.
Originium byproduct processing center. And then there's this group.
It seems like while our comms were down, the Landbreakers launched simultaneous attacks at multiple key locations throughout Valley 4. I'll have our comms team keep constant tabs on the situation.
Simultaneous attacks across an entire region. This doesn't make sense. The Landbreakers lack the organizational capacity to pull this off.
She just called the entire race stupid. Which, she's probably right, but... we should just go there and seize initiative.
Agreed. We need to act and respond in kind.
Hell yeah! I say it's time for the Endfield counterattack.
Before we made our landing, I had Dijong contact all combat operators in the surrounding regions to reinforce our position. One of them is a Landbreaker specialist. His last reported position is just nearby. We shall rendezvous with him on our way to the Valley Fort.
Wait, Endman. Before you set off, I actually have something for you.
The gear assembly feature is now available. Press tab. Press hotkey L. Use the AIC to assemble various kinds of gear and equipment. Wood can be gathered from wilderness, perform scans and mark the trees. Ore crust. Ore crust can be produced by making, yeah, I already know how to make that. Basic armor. What is the difference? Oh, the only difference is blue and red. Let's see. Okay, so armor is just... Oh, this gives more HP. This gives more other stats. Okay. Insufficient materials. Okay. C for
Operator
character.
Perlica, standing by.
Gear. Arm. 3 types of armor, gloves, and kit. Every operator can equip 4 pieces of gear. Okay.
The fruit of the automated industry complex.
Once equipped, tacticals are automatically used, but the operator when criteria are met in battle. So consumables. Use the gear to equip operators with various gears. Every operator can equip 4 pieces of gear. Armor, gloves, 2 kits. Tacticals. Equip tacticals. They're automatically used, so like if I'm hurt, it'll use it. Sure, I'll use this for now. Kit 1. Don't have anything.
The security division and the crewmates managed to find some
I
pieces
need to
of
equip
gear
someone
from
else
our
with the other
stockpile.
armor that I made.
Though they're not top-notch. Equipping them is at least better than nothing.
So I need wood.
When the anchor came crashing down on us, I did my best to keep my cool and soldier on. But truth be told, my mind turned into a total mess. Your intervention helped us through the worst of this crisis. You also sped up our recovery and post-disaster relief work. It is my genuine wish, on behalf of the hub base and all site personnel, to express our everlasting gratitude for your help. Oh, and by the way, I actually planned a nice little reception for you. Once things get back on track at the base, I'll try to organize another party for you. Endman, Supervisor Perlica, and Operator Chen never bite more than you can chew. And do not press a desperate foe. It's always better to be safe than sorry. You already did a lot for us, and people at the hub base only wish to see you return safely.
I understand, Director Chin. We all do.
You can count on me.
We can easily handle the landbreakers.
All right then. Good luck out there.
Okay, yeah.
Every action
Easy.
taken by the Landbreakers.
More sanity, new gear.
Seems to be pointed at Andre's prototype. Endfield Industry.
F7. New Horizons. What is this telling me to do now? Okay, go. Basically, it's telling me to do this. Headhunt. And I got. Yeah, use that. Yeah, nothing. Or another 5-star. Oh well. Yeah, 2 5-stars. Okay, that's nice. Give me.
I have
Okay,
always
Perlica.
believed that.
Antal of Opsy.
I mean, I generally prefer
Captain,
getting new characters
Oh no,
rather than dupes. But
prepped and ready to
if
go.
I'm going to get anyone, may as well get the one that I already have, or that I'm using. What do I unlock? Ultimate costs lowered. Okay. So I can use ultimate more often. Nice.
I offer today's dialogue and contemplation to your terminal.
Pretty.
Send. even you, Administrator. I say it's time to go and reveal the truth. Prepped and ready to go.
I'd say she needs armor.
I heard your footsteps, Professor.
Prepped and ready to go.
Where is the armor screen? Yeah, it is. These are identical, right? They're just different colors? Defense? Oh, strength. Okay. Well, you don't get armor. You get armor.
Such craftwork. This precision is rare, even amongst all the Aldertone's work I've known.
Okay. Where do I need to go now? I need to go over here, so I should just teleport over here. Let's see. Portable Iridium rig. Construction. I'm just gonna create a couple of these. Because they're really cheap and I can just put them wherever I want. There's really no way to automatically collect this yet. Gun tower. Can have multiple production formulas. You already told me. Excuse me? I'm pretty sure you've already told me this. And over here. Let's see. Can I open this yet? No. Not yet. Can I put a thing here yet? Okay. Too wimpy. Anyway, where do I get wood from? Here. Time to Minecraft. You get wood, and you get wood, and you get wood. Everybody gets some wood. Sequence. Cutting some trees with lightning magic. Okay. That actually, I think that should be enough for some stuff, I think. Wait, where was this? Was it C?
Prepped and ready to go.
Which one was this? Doc. You seem pretty eager about dealing with Landbreakers. I haven't had a proper fight in quite a while. Those lousy raiders hardly put up a fight. I have to spar with a proper LB warrior. Thankfully, pretty tough opponents. Don't you want to fight with them? Well, actually, I prefer fighting LBs than the rocky crawlies. The Angli are just crawly practice dummies. They may be dangerous, but their moves are always the same. Fighting practice dummies really gets stale for a while. Real fight is more than just moves and counters. You gotta have a clash of emotions and willpower. Hiya! What the bone rushers? Ever fought bone crushers before? I dealt with LBs before, but bone crusher types, not really. When I was a kid, I thought I was good with a blade and sneaked out for fun. I ran into someone getting robbed by LBs and decided to help. My master told me I wasn't ready, but I didn't know that till I started fighting really dangerous people. Thankfully, someone was nearby and got me out of the mess, but yeah, this is my first time meeting some really evil LBs in Valley 4. Someone saved you? I find it hard to believe that Master Chen needs saving. Come on, Edmund. I wasn't born with all my fighting skills, you know? As for that person, I believe you... Ooh, I believe you'll meet eventually one day. Interesting. Another 6-star. I actually forgot which button. Which button is crafting? L. Okay, I don't have the stuff for that. Okay, so this one's intelligence. So I have most of my guys are intelligence. So 1, 2, 3, and 1 physical.
Operator Prota, standing by.
Give her gloves.
The fruit of the automated industry complex.
Give you the physical gloves. Give you armor. Give you gloves. I don't think I have kits for anybody. You can die. Sorry. I didn't mean to.
Field studies can get really dangerous. We must make sure we're properly protected.
You deserve food. I'm biased. I need to mine more trees, it seems. This seems more valuable for now. I'll still crush the rest. Is there a quick stash button? Okay. Let's see. Yeah, honestly, it is pretty late for me now, so honestly, I think I'm gonna call it here. thank you all for watching. This has been Minja playing Endnight Arkfields. What if I even... Endnight Arkfield. Okay. Okay, I might be a little tired. Thank you for watching me playing Arknights Endfield, and hope to see you guys next time. Bye-bye.